Hi, my name is Seamus Carey. I'm a Ron Jon team rider. I'm going to show you my skating essentials. The first thing, and what I think is most important, I would get a very good helmet, and I would wear it whenever you were skating, protects your head. And the next thing I would get is some pads. If you were to fall, this would make it so you wouldn't feel the ground too much. And then these are my favorite boards. These are the trick boards that you would ride at a skate park or to do, really anything on. They're really great at the skate park, they're really good on the street, or even just practicing in your garage. These are cruiser boards. This is a Sector 9, my favorite, and this is something I would ride down to the beach in the summer, on a bike path, just kind of hanging out. You can't really do tricks on these, but it's really fun to just ride around on. And thankfully, Ron Jon Surf Shop has all wheels, trucks, and bearings. If you were to ever need to come in and replace any of it, they would have you all hooked up. And again, I'm Seamus Carey, and these are my skating essentials.